Hello everybody, this is fearKleeblarr here, back at another video, and I've already recorded a video with this fidget spinner right here, but I decided to do a review on a gas station fidget spinner for the last day I had it. So let's get right into the review. Now this fidget spinner, very cheaply made, it's plastic, so it's not going to be amazing. I mean, it spins pretty decent for the price range. $6 is how much I bought it for. So, these are not actually the bearings that came in it. It came with a pair of black steel. One second. Freak. Okay, it came with a pair of black steel bearings. I don't know why they're not coming out. I'm actually selling this particular fidget spinner, but since they came with a pair of black steel bearings, just think about these just with black covers on them. I just put the blue ones on there because my friend wanted red and blue. And not much to say. It's plastic bearings, your normal stuff. If you take it apart, it just has the center bearing. Actually relatively easy to spin. This bearing, all these bearings were cleaned by me. I hand cleaned them, but so that's why they're spinning so well. But if you do get it, it will spin very well. Actually, I have the bearing. This one's kind of messed up, but as you can see, it spins pretty good. This one's just really wobbly. It's missing a couple on the back. That's the bearing it came with. If I probably try to act right, I'll show you how it spins. It might be kind of loud. Yeah, that's all it really is in it. I guess now how they do these things is this actually. Do I recommend this? Wait, actually, we'll do spin testing first. I'll be right back. Back. It's still spinning. That's not the test though. So right here we have an iPad mini to stopwatch with. So let's get into the time testing in 3, 2, 1. And now we wait. I'm gonna go get something to drink. I'll just speed this up for you guys. If I don't, I'll forget during recording. So I'm just gonna leave. You guys have fun watching a fidget spinner spin. Actually, I have to stay in here just in case it stops. It's close to a minute. Ooh, that is actually not good at all. I tested it earlier and it got around 2 minutes. Let's see where it ends at. Alright, I think to make this a fair test, we should give it, so it's 1 minute 46 seconds. I think we should give it, remember this? Remember this? Yeah, remember that? So, I think to be a fair test scientifically, or whatever we're doing right now mathematically, we should do it twice or more than once. So give it one more try. 3, 2, 1. Give her a good spin that time. And now back to the time lapse. So, as you're seeing with the 2 times, you're going to get about 1 minute 50 seconds, 2 minutes. Let's just say around 2 minutes with this fidget spinner. This is not the bearings that came with it. I don't know, ceramic bearings. If you put those in there, it'd probably spin for a lot longer. But one thing I thought I'd drag this on for 7 minutes. One thing I don't like though is these little caps right here. See? Hate the caps, but I mean, you can still kind of do tricks with it. Wait, how much like this? Yeah, you can still kind of, I hit the camera. You can still kind of do tricks with it, but I mean, it's whatever. So, if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe, like, comment on this video, do all that bull hooky, whatever it's called. And to run off this video, I like to say if I get, if I get to 50 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with a fidget spinner, and I'm gonna make a separate video about that though. Not this fidget spinner, but I'll give away a fidget spinner. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, like and leave a comment, whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.